Come on, Danny, let's go. There's a cow patty right there. Look at that baby. Oh, yeah. Come on, Sharon. You're a vegetarian. You ain't got to worry. Get up there and shoot these cows out of the way. Let's move, damn it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Move it out. Move it out. Get your... Hey. Hamburger. Hamburger.
Aww.
No, look, I'm a vegetarian. I'm going to go have a chicken sandwich tonight, okay?
Go.
I'm going to have chicken sandwich.
Go.
Seriously, dude. Come on. Hey, you two over there. Come on, Sharon, hit it with something. Just grab a stick and shoot along. Look, those other two are moving. Come on, your buddies are over there eating. What's up?
Yeah, go.
Come on, go, go, go. Shoot me. Shoot me.
Come on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go.
Go, go. Awesome. Awesome.
Speak some German to it, Danny.
I don't know.
Schnitzel! Schnitzel! Yeah, we're going to make fucking schnitzel out of you. Okay? Come on, let's go.
We'll take one more picture now.
Ooh. Okay, come on. What do we do, Danny?
You walk behind them.
Hey, Sharon, grab that stick. That's what those sticks are laying there in the trail for when this happens. Look, there's a stick right next to you. A little switch. You can pick it up and smack it in the ass.
No, just go around me.
Huh?
You know too, like, so I'm just going to stare on me.
No, they're okay. Hey, I'm coming.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Haas.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Damn it. What happened? Finally.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Come on, honey.
Holy crap. Oh, now we're following the beef. Where's the beef? Oh, no, come on. Don't even do that. Don't even do that. Don't. Every time that thing stops, I think it's going to shit. Good girls. Good girls. We're going to have chicken for supper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Hup! 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 Yep, come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, hey, don't kick me now, son. Yeah. Okay. Well, we got through that. What do you think, guys? Oh, there's cow patties. All kinds of cow shit ahead.